Ninh explains, obsession, the key to success and to become a champion. So you want to be successful, good enough to become a champion at what you do, right? You want to earn millions playing professional sports. You want to be an international rock star. You want to take over the world as a successful business person. And you work hard at your craft. But for some reason, you just don't measure up. The success isn't coming to you as you'd like it to. You work hard, but other people are being picked ahead of you. You work hard, but it's just not happening. You work hard, but you're getting mediocre results. Guys, it's not just about hard work. If it was, everybody would be on top. It'd be easy, but only a few of us actually are. So what's the difference? The reason you're not there yet isn't because you don't work hard at it, but because you're not obsessed with getting it. If you want it badly enough, you need to be obsessed with it. You need to devote your entire life to it. You need to eat, sleep and breathe it. You need to give up your time, your peace and your sleep for it. You need to be smarter about the choices that you make. And you need to be working whilst other people are out getting drunk, watching TV, killing their time and sleeping their lives away. You need to sacrifice these things and focus on the goal at hand. How badly do you want it? That's all it boils down to. You can play professional sports. You can be an international musician. You can make a difference in the world. The only question is, how badly do you want it? If you want it badly enough, you'll become obsessed with it. Every second of every minute of every day. That's what separates a champion from a runner-up, a bestseller from an average Joe, a winner from a loser. Obsession. It's not just for men. It's for anybody who wants success badly enough. Be sure to like this video, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook, follow me on social media, and leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Hey, I wanna be a rock star. Actually, no, I don't. I can't sing.